My name is Cubie. I work at Midwest Photo. I am originally from Dayton, Ohio, reside in Columbus now, and when I'm not at Midwest, you could probably find me in the studio. I'm always a fan of Fujifilm. One, I love their menu system. I think it's the easiest to navigate. I also love their film simulations. It's the most fun I've ever had with digital cameras. Like I said, I'm an avid film shooter, so if I can put like all the Fujifilm simulations in here, it's pretty much just like me going out with my medium format film camera. If I'm shooting digital, I'm probably shooting Fuji. Camera like this is exciting because medium format is a world that I thought I would never be in, that I would never have access to, but Fuji has brought down the price, made these very competitive, and this opens the market to a lot of photographers who would never have this type of image quality before. So the question is, why medium format? With a bigger sensor, you'll have a cleaner image. This has 50 megapixels. That 50 megapixels is going to be different with this sensor than on a 35mm sensor. You'll have more dynamic range, you'll have a cleaner image output. It's just way easier to work with in post. These files are a dream to work with in Capture One or Photoshop. With 50 megapixels, I can crop in 2 times, 3 times and still have a workable image, especially for web. But this is why a lot of commercial photographers shoot medium format, beauty photographers, fashion. You can take a picture and crop it in. I have a habit of saying that your camera, your gear doesn't really matter. That is true up until a point. If you have a certain image in mind, some cameras are not going to be able to get you there. This is a certain tool. Product photographers, fashion photographers, beauty photographers, anybody who needs a lot of resolution, maybe not the most speed, but resolution, this is the tool for you. A lot of cameras won't even match up to it. Things I really find exciting about this camera is the body style. That's number one. It is the same as the 100S, which I think is a really good decision. The original 50S was a little too large for me, and it had that big old hump on the back. So I'm really a fan of this streamlined style, this smaller body. I also like your customization. You have your function buttons. You can pretty much customize this however you want it. This is a tool for a photographer to really customize, grow into, kind of make it their own. Fuji decided to upgrade the stabilization system and the processor, so it's quicker, especially menus, accuracy and focus is a little better, but I still wish I had that phase detect in the 100S. But overall, great camera. Like I said, I would never believe this came out like 10 years ago. I wouldn't have an idea that something like this would come out. And to get to shoot it, just amazing. So thank you, Fuji. Thank you, Midwest. And happy shooting.